Hello Patricia, this is Yashinodia, and in this screencast I will be traversing through feature tutorial that is the first part of the project adhering to the chronology maintained in the report. So here I'll be first starting with filters. So as you can see that the first is about the general filter, and for here I have picked a country in each region to filter out. And here the plot is about average tourism inbound with respect to year, and it is described as a bar plot. The second filter is about the wildcard filter, and in this filter I'm using the same variables to plot it. And here the wildcard is the values of each countries must start with B. It includes only values which start with B. So as you can see that Brazil, Belgium and Bahrain are the countries and that start with B here in the bar plot. So that next is the conditional filter. So here I'm assigning certain a condition that the minimum tourism inbound should be more than 1.5 million to qualify for this plot. So here you can see that only countries come in picture whose tourism inbound is more than 1.5 million. And next is about the top tab filter, and here the filter shows that I have shortlisted out only the uh, top five countries whose average tourism inbound is the maximum. So next is uh, about the markers. So here you can see that I have used certain markers as a marker of color, a marker of size, and marker of label. So it is visible in the scatter plot that the color changes as the values increase. It becomes darker. The size increases as it moves up, and there's also the values are labeled on the plot. Now this one is about calculated fields. So as you can see that there's a new dimension called birth rate bin. So the condition in birth rate bin are assigned as this, and I have also assigned a new color palette to it. So as you can see in the world map, which is plotted by longitude and latitude as default by as a Tableau feature, you can see the birth rate bins here all around, and there are also certain markers that I added to it. Now this one is about the dashboard functionalities. So as you can see that I have customized the canvas here a bit, and here you can see the three plots, the business is GDP. As we have seen, there's also a cross tab there that I have added as a worksheet, and there is also a set of box plots here. Notice that I've also added AIT logo here, and there is also this hover button for more information, which I have customized in a separate worksheet. Thank you.